up, YouTube? I know it's been a minute. I'm finna update y'all real quick on like everything that we done to the car. I know it's been a while ago, but there's a lot of stuff that's gone on with the car, and we're just gonna go over the changes, what we've done to it, what else we're gonna be doing to it, and it's a handful. But anyway, let's get started. Let's get into it. I'll show you guys what we're working with.
Say what you wanna say, nigga. Talk, 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 talk. Single hand kill y'all. Don't come for the guard. I don't travel when I ball. Got a handle on my boss. Too easy, too nice. Pop a willy on your life. Pop balloon on your flight. Drop a bag on my wife. Get it, baby, what you like. Got me hiking on my price. Man, the mountaintop nice. Mile high with the spike. But I don't go 5'11". Yeah, only rings in my sight.
Anyway, boys. About 520 to the wheels right now. I have to swap out my external wastegate spring. After I swap that out, we can turn up the boost a little bit more, because that's my only limiting thing. I just gotta swap the spring out of there and put in a bigger spring, and then we'll be good to go. Get some driving around videos for you guys. Maybe a couple drive-bys. I don't know. I don't really know how to like start this channel back up or to start it up. But I'm gonna try and make some content, try and come up with some stuff for you guys, get this thing on camera. As you can see, that all I've been focusing on is mainly just the aesthetics of the build. I mean, not the aesthetics, I'm tripping. The motor side of the build, transmission, the horsepower in general, is focusing on those things. But you guys can see the whole process of like the visuals change on this car. But so that's what I'm gonna try and like base this channel on, is like just everything that's done to the car over time, aesthetics wise. We're talking wraps, headlights, everything, interior, exterior, everything like that. But I can't wait to finally get started on it, because it's kind of at its reaching point of like where I wanted to get it to go as far as the build. It's where I want it, and couldn't be happier. But yeah, so I'm gonna get some videos driving around for you guys. Probably go get some food because I'm hungry, and then yeah, we'll see where this goes. I'll see y'all when we start driving. What's up, guys? So here we are, taking it for a drive. You guys can like hear it, you know what I mean? Just see how it drives. It's a beast though. But yeah, we can just talk about, I want to make more videos, but I don't really know what to make. So if y'all got any ideas what y'all want to see with this car? I go to the meets and stuff so I can film videos of the meets. We can film a ton of those. I like to film videos with other people's cars and stuff like that, so there's that too. But I want the channel to be entertaining. Get some like cruises going. I want to get better cameras, so I'm gonna get like a GoPro. I think a GoPro for like, let me know if you guys want to see like point of view driving, because I actually really want to make videos like that, just because I like driving the car. And then also just wearing a GoPro is just like easy, like just wearing a GoPro and driving the car, and it's good content, you know what I mean? So take that on cruises and stuff like that. And bumper literally just cut him off like that, just straight in front of me. Got a little 350Z coming up on me. I might have to hurt his feelings a little bit. Right now, and then I don't know. I feel like just driving. Really, I might take a cruise to Lookout Mountain or something. I'm hungry first. We're gonna get some food first, and then we'll probably take that cruise. I don't know, by myself, really. And none of the homies got their cars back. Everybody's getting stuff done, so it's a fast boy life.